Hey everybody, Ron Maurer here, and for those of you watching this that know me, you know that I'm always looking for ways to help promote my business and help others promote theirs, and that's where the digital marketing consulting and stuff comes in. And I've just been testing out a new software my friend Kevin created called Social Emailer Pro. And before we go into my presentation about what it does, I want to show you what it did yesterday when I tested it out. So I'm going to just move over here to LinkedIn and show you, here's my profile, 500 plus connections. Well, that wasn't that way yesterday. In fact, if I go and hover over the top of the alerts here, you'll see just in the last 6 minutes, 6 new connections. In the last 2 hours, 103 new connections. And this goes back with connections over the last 24 hours all the way down to here, and you can see there's lots of new connections and new messages. So to show you in my email how that looks, going back to yesterday, and you can see today is January 22nd. Hopefully you can see that here at the bottom. And if you look at January 21st, now you can see all these LinkedIn connections coming in, and the ones I've starred here are the people who have also written back to me already saying, hey, thanks for connecting. I can see we have a lot of stuff in common and things like that. So I'm just going to keep scrolling up here to show you, and I actually have to go back a whole page, and we'll scroll up, and again, more and more connections. More stars there, meaning again they've connected with me back again after our initial connection. And this is just one small aspect of what this software does. So there goes that page, and I'm going to go back one more time again. So there's I believe 50 per page here. And so you can see this goes up, and there's a couple other messages from groups. That's another thing you can do, is to search for groups, and it's keyword based, so that you're finding things that are related to what you have to offer the world out there. So and there's a few other messages in there as well, but mostly you're seeing LinkedIn, LinkedIn, LinkedIn. So why don't I go ahead and go over a few things here. Let me just start this up. So Social Emailer Pro, and this one is for LinkedIn and YouTube. And you'll see my short link there, which is http://bit.ly/social emailer. That's how you get to my site. So what does this do? Would you like to send messages to your exact target market? Okay, so you need a list, but you have no idea how to build one, right? So what this does is it builds your list for you in the exact target market without the need for squeeze pages, landing pages, or websites. It also automates the process with LinkedIn, that invitation process, so that you can automatically reply when any of those people connect with you. You send any message that you want to others that join your network. Your personalized messages are delivered 100% of the time, 100% of the time, into their inbox, because the software elegantly uses the built-in LinkedIn or YouTube email system. You can leverage groups like never before by automatically finding targeted groups, requesting to join them, and even send keyword-driven, geo-targeted by city. You can send these messages to the people in the groups right into their inbox, which is powerful. It's amazing. And what this means is that you can finally market to the people who are looking for what you have to offer. You can connect with your connections of your connections. So what that means is you tap into the keyword targeted genealogy of the professionals on your LinkedIn network. So it's multiplied by hundreds and then thousands of people that you have access to now. So there's no need to buy any list anymore. Instead, you get direct access to the specific list of people based on their interests. So it's a very, very cool thing. And by the way, these are just some of the features that are in the Social Emailer Pro software package. It's very reasonably priced, and it's utilizing free LinkedIn and free YouTube accounts, so there's no cost on that end either. You do not have to have a paid account with LinkedIn, for example. And yes, of course, there is an affiliate program for those that are wondering that. Yes, there is. And basically, with that, why don't you head on over to my page. Here's the link here again. There's a demo video there. You can see more of the features and how this all works. And there's a little larger view of the link there. And if you have any questions, there is a form on the page that you can fill out. And with that, I will wrap this up. Thank you very much for checking out my video. Hope you're having a good day, a good evening, a good morning, whatever time it is, where you're at when you're watching this. All right, take care.